One of the most important elements of an office fit-out is the air conditioning inside your office space. I will say at the outset that this work must be done by specialist air conditioning contractors and that the work must adhere to appropriate Australian standards and be properly certified. This, of course, is all taken care when you contract a specialist office fit-out company such as Sydney Commercial Interiors and Fitouts. Let's look at some of the basics involved. When planning for the placement of air supply grills and air return grills, it's crucial to not only ensure supply of conditioned air to each room, but that this air supply is balanced. This is achieved through careful measuring of airflow and controlling it with volume control dampers and the air release vents. Just as critical will be the correct distribution and placement of temperature sensors throughout your office space. Air conditioning in your office is quite a complex job, and a good office fit-out company will ensure that it's done correctly and within your budget. Call Sydney Commercial Interiors and Fitouts on 1300 882 585 and discover Sydney's best office fit-out company today.